The other week I was getting a car wash as usual when I realized there was something different about it. There's a poster that said win $5,000. Now there's probably more on that poster, but all I could focus on was on that sweet, sweet bread. So I went to the tunnel, the guy gives me an air freshener, and I see on the air freshener it says collect all 24. Strange, isn't it? There's also a dog in the back, and I thought that was pretty cool. That was then when my mind realized the poster said visit all 24 sites, win $5,000. And the car wash broke down. Oh. Yay. And so I decided to make content out of it, as I usually do. Oh yeah, I'm committing to my car, alright. And helping us make that content will be my friend Jim. Hey guys, Jim here. Today we're at Soapy Joe's. Not the only Soapy Joe's we'll be at today. The challenge was simple. Collect all 24 air fresheners from all 24 locations and you win $5,000. Two problems. One, the furthest north Soapy Joe's, which is where we're starting, is all the way in Fallbrook, which is 40 minutes away from where I live. So I had to find ways to entertain myself between these long drives. For example, first one. Let's see what number air freshener this is. I'm really hoping it's 1 just so it would look better, but you know. Hey, what's up, man? Hey, I got a question for you. So actually today, I'm gonna go hit every single Soapy Joe's and try and win. Exactly. But it's a little late in the day. Do you think I'm gonna be able to make it? Problem 2. All the stores close at 9 p.m. And because of our bad sleeping habits, and totally not because I was playing Minecraft till 4 a.m., we woke up super late. We were on the clock. So?
All the way down to Tennessee.
Oh yeah, 9, so.
It's 2:32, so I mean, you're gonna make it.
Do you think so?
Yeah, all the way down there, yeah.
All right, man. What's your name?
Jaden.
Jaden, nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you.
All right, have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
Let's do this shit. Jaden believes in us. You gotta do it for Jaden. Oh, here's the first one right here. Thank you. Put it in neutral, baby. Number 1, let's go. Let's see how it smells. Ooh. Do I look like him? Number 1, get off number 24.
That's great.
Holy shit. Okay, let's do it, baby. Let's go. I'm scared. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. You know what I'm scared of? Is that we miss a location and we just have one left and it's like all the way up. All right, we're just going for this one right here. We're going to Vista, baby. We're going back down. 35 minutes. Oh, hell no. Fuck! And you're probably wondering who this is. This right here is Jasper. He's gonna be our camera guy. He's also my best friend. He's also just really happy to be here. Aren't you, buddy? Jaden! Jaden, where are you? Wish us luck, man! Wish us luck, Jaden! We need it! Location 2! I'm still a little worried that my car is gonna get like fucked up after all this car washing. I see Jasper right there. Hello! God, he must look like a fucking weirdo with the people right behind him. Like, who the fuck is this guy recording behind us? Hey, get in! All right, location 2's done, guys. Guys, I'll be honest, I didn't really plan out the route beforehand, so we had to map it out after some locations. The next stop is Soapy Joe's Car Wash.
Route to Soapy Joe's Car Wash.
You want me to stop recording?
Soapy Joe's Car Wash.
Yeah. Third location! Okay, let's go. Who's giving the air fresheners, guys? If we don't get our air freshener, I'm gonna have a Karen moment. Look at that. You see? Guys, that is our goal right there. All 24 sites. Huh? I'm going to every one today. I'm going to every single one today. She just laughed at me. Smell test. Oh! It's you. Yeah! Third location done. Look at the spread. Look at the money spread. Look at that money spread, baby boy. Cue the time lapse. We've hit it for the first time today. Traffic. I hate traffic. Anyway, we'll be there in 5 minutes, so it's not that bad of time to get there. Guys, I'm actually tweaking. I think the air freshener is getting to my brain. It's getting each sprain cell. All I can smell through my nose is air freshener. Jasper knows what I'm talking about. And believe me when I say this, friends, this is the most unhinged you've seen me yet. Brace yourselves. Dude, there's a Dutch Bros here. I say we make a stop.
No.
No, we're here for a mission. See what's in front of us? Wiener Schnitzel. Yay! Just kidding, guys. It's Soapy Joe's. We're in front of Soapy Joe's. That was a joke. It was a misdirect. Got him. You fool.
Didn't get me.
Hello. I'm going to every one today. Every single one. You think I can make it? Every one today?
Maybe.
Maybe?
Yeah.
Wish me luck.
Oh.
Thank you, you too. Ah,
She said maybe.
Red Rooster. Cock. And I wonder, hey, what number do you think this one's gonna be? Try and guess.
50.
What? You're stupid. Soapy. Joe. Okay, enough playing around. He has a JJK Pop Funko. I like your Itadori. I'm going to every one today. Soapy Joe's. See ya. Oh, he's like, what the fuck? Why
said,
you
"Shut the
check out that design. Someone's ass. Oh! Dude, the reflection on my mirror, all I can see on the road is Soapy Joe's.
Going through your head right now.
We're gonna get the sixth one.
Oh,
Fifth one, sorry. I can't count.
What the fuck?
Guys, I'm gonna be honest with you, the air freshener is actually getting to my head. Soapy Joe is more like Clean City. What?
What?
What is it, Clean City in here? Because it's so clean. What? Hello. Do you think we're gonna make it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Yeah. Wish us luck. High five! I don't like shouting my name out. It's so cringe. It's so cringe.
Why are you tweaking, dude?
This is the most energy I've shown on my YouTube, and that's just because I'm hanging out with Jasper today.
Jasper.
Okay, guys, new challenge. Try and shut the fuck up. Hey, we're going to every single one today. Okay, guys, first, all right, guys, first blind karaoke.
Okay.
You have to sing along. I give you no hints, and you basically just sing the song, okay?
I be stroking my I saw you. I put lotion. I don't know the fucking lyrics to this. I don't know the lyrics. Just say you won't let go of my dick.
Buster it on the beat, ho! Beat, ho! Buster it on the beat, ho! Buster beat. Say Drake, I heard you like them. Yo, file. Whap, whap, whap. I'm gonna beat my drum.
Once I was 7 years old, I put lotion on my years old. Oh, my balls vibrated. Summertime sadness. Oh, wrecking my big ball. Oh, but the horses back. Huh? Oh.
Guys, we still have 13 minutes left to get to our next occasion. Oh, I just saw the fucking title. Are you serious? The music coming on. I was scared of having a conversation. I love you when you're singing that song, yeah. Hey, come here. Someone oh, there's more to be the good girl you always have to be. Let it go. When are we gonna get to Soapy Joe?
Must have I'll be watching you. Please.
Oh,
Hello.
thank you. It's D.
Oh, that's
17. Blood thinks he's Alright guys, this next one's gonna take us 4 minutes. Might be the shortest amount of time to get to a Soapy Joe's yet. Alright? I think so. Guys, let's have a talk. How are you doing today? Did you drink water?
I'm drinking water.
Shh. take care of yourself, okay, guys? You guys are all awesome individuals. And why am I taking another U-turn? It's bringing me back to the same one. Guys, never mind. It's gonna take us 18 minutes to get to the next one.
Oh my God.
I guess Oh, dude, I love Kendrick. You can dance. You can dance. In the time of your life. My nose is stuffed, and my nose is stuffed. This one's gonna be a little tough to get into. I gotta get in line, apparently. This car behind us was honking at that Tesla right there, Mr. Elon Musk, because he wouldn't move. Anyway, it's taking a while. We've been here for maybe 10 minutes by now. Guys, so Jasper is gonna take you guys to the 7-Eleven and grab a bag of chips.
What do you want?
I don't know. Did you want chips?
No.
No. Oh, okay. He's just gonna get
the $5 deal.
Yeah, he's just gonna get a drink then. And okay, there he goes. Hey guys, we're back here now. So Jasper is out.
Bye. Soapy Joe's. Soapy.
Well, I go
my
through the tunnel.
Well, look at this traffic. This traffic is crazy.
As you can see,
Traffic is
we're about to
absolutely
get our sixth one.
I know he's filming me.
Why is he filming? Bro, he's making this. I feel awkward right now. Don't
Let's
make
get
it
low.
look too
Let's get low.
obvious.
Oh yeah. Anything for the shot, baby.
Yes, whatever.
Anything for the shot. And respectfully, I don't really give a shit about like what other people think about me. So, God damn, this is fucking taking forever. I'm going to everyone today. Come on, go the fuck in. Go.
Yeah.
Okay, fuck. this.
Anyway, let's add it to the list.
Hello. Hi. So we're gonna get a drink for Mr. Let's crank
Having a
this
great time.
to 1.8.
Look at this vibe. Look at the lights. Isn't it so pretty? You know, it's kind of funny. All the workers don't give a shit. I wouldn't give a shit either, to be honest. I wouldn't care. It's so clean by now. Like, it's gotta be so clean. Look at that. We're almost out. Let's see where Jasper ended up. I wonder if he finished his transaction and stuff by now.
Good. Oh, sorry. My bad, bro. My bad.
Sir. Oh, hero shots. Yes.
Hello.
The other
Sorry.
side.
My bad. Hello. Just gonna get this right here. What the? Hey. Dude, you missed. I got into a fucking fight, bro. That shit was crazy.
Hey, well, we're back together, guys.
Yay, we're back.
Yay. Time to get to the 8th Soapy Joe's.
8?
Closing in on 10.
Wow.
Hey guys, it's me again. So guess what? By now in this challenge, it's 5 p.m. And if you guys recall, the stores close at 9. So that means we only had 4 hours left in our journey here. And if you've been paying attention to that counter on the bottom right, we're only on our 7th one. I was starting to stress out a little bit. I was starting to freak out. I knew we had to do something about this. So we decided to lock in. Is today gonna be the day we get all 24? Or will we get less than that? So you know what that means. Montage! What's up? Welcome to Soapy Joe.
Can't stop with it.
Guys, I left my wipers on. We're missing a wiper.
To the shindig. Chop top, it says I'm gonna win big. Choose not to life of imitation. Distant close into the reservation. Defunct the pistol that you pay for. This pump the feeling that you stay for. In time, I want to be your best friend. Eastside love is living on the West End. Knocked out before you better come to. Don't die, you know the truth is some do. Go write your message on the pavement. Then so back. Pavement. White heat is screaming in the jungle.
Should we get the timing right? I'm always chasing rainbows. I don't know the lyrics like that. Rainbow!
Complete the motion if you stumble. Go ask the dust for any answers. Come back strong with 50 belly dancers. The world I love, the tears I've tried to be part of the wave.
air freshener, please? Just one. I was trying to get everything today.
Oh, you're good. Oh, God.
I've been making my way down south. Number 14, bro.
Let's go Padres.
Wait, I think he just gave us Magic Joe, bro.
Magic Joe?
No way. I think he just gave us the VIP treatment. No, never mind. He didn't.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Party time.
What? What the fuck? No way.
Guys, they have caught. Oh, never mind. Oh, we got the VIP treatment. Okay, my boy, I see you. Shout out this one. We're gonna get tire shine. Oh, fuck. Let's go. We're so back, baby.
It's a time of tragedy. Think it's 9 when the clock says 10.
Mr. Beast! Mr. Beast! Don't you think I'm so cool? Do you think I'm so cool for having all these air fresheners? It is 8:04. We're just gonna have to accept the fact that we're not gonna make it to every 24 location tonight. So we're just gonna have to accept that fact for today. But we will return. It's not over. I'm coming back.
Here, take the camera. Recording.
He's gonna go shit.
I need
I'll see you in a bit.
I don't know where to panda.
Casper is taking a shit in Panda Express right now, and we're just gonna wait. Okay. See you guys.
I used to rule the world. Seas would rise when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweep the streets I used to own.
Last stop. I'm so sad we couldn't get to everything today. Feels like a defeat in my heart. What the fuck was that?
Arrive at your next stop. Arrive at Soapy Joe's Car Wash.
It's been a long day. We started at 2 o'clock. It's now 8:41. Final Soapy Joe's, guys. Look how nice the colors are. Wow. So nice. How's it going? You guys are the last ones today. We were trying to, but we can't make it. We started too late. We have like 7 maybe. 7 left. Yeah, thank you so much. We got
Oh, she said I did the camera.
the man himself, the legend, the myth.
Joe Madden!
Take a look. Look at the pile. Explosion right there.
Got a spot.
I don't give a fuck. All right, gang. Here's all the stuff. The spread is crazy, guys. I don't feel proud. I hope you guys understand that I was actually genuinely upset we weren't able to finish this challenge in one day. You can kind of hear it in my voice here. I'm so sad we didn't get to everything today.
Me too.
We were almost there. But fear not, for it's not over. You think I'm gonna let it end like this? No, we only have 5 left. What's a measly 5? Also, this is how my car smelled the next day. So I wasn't able to go to the next 5 locations the next 2 days. But when I was free, this was the comeback of the century. You guys are our last one.
I don't know what prize that is, but
No, you're good. I just wanted to say it. So proud. Thank you. She don't give a fuck.
Bro, I just got secondhand embarrassment.
All of them. I did it.